Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Play for Straight Talk. So this is a new phone for Straight Talk. But the Moto G Play has been out for several months now on different carriers, and now Straight Talk is now finally getting in the Moto G Play. This is the 2021 version of the Moto G Play, and it is now available for $99.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone for your kids, a budget phone for yourself, or a backup phone or whatever, the Moto G Play is a nice looking phone. Specs and here are decent. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. So it's available in blue there, which I'm not a fan of the blue color, but other than that, the phone looks very nice in my opinion. So the model number is XT2093DL. So this is the Moto G Play, and Straight Talk just got this phone. I don't know why they waited till, I don't know, they got this phone, but they got it late than ever. So yeah, so on the front of the phone, of course, you guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera, power and volume kits on the right side of the phone there. Right side of the phone, your power button's right here, and your volume button's above that. I think your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. And then on the back of the Moto G Play we go is your dual camera setup along with your camera flash and this square triangle and the square camera setup. You do have your Motorola logo, which is also your fingerprint sensor as well. So your fingerprint sensor is the iconic logo, so pretty sweet there by Motorola. You also have your track phone Straight Talk logo there on the bottom. On the back, it has like a it's like the bottom of it's like a dark blue, then it kind of gets lighter as you go up the phone on the back. So pretty nice touch there, but I'm not a fan of the blue color. I'm just not. But that's just me personally. Some of you guys might not care what color the phone is, as long as it works and whatnot. So yeah. Says never settle for less. That's why this Moto G Play watch games, movies, and video chats come to life on its massive ultra wide display. Keep the phone going for up to 3 days with a massive 5,000 mAh battery. Whether it's the responsive performance, dual camera system, or water repellent design, there's more to love with Moto G Play. So yeah, you guys get up to 3 days of battery life with Motorola claims. Now, if you're a light user, yeah, you'll get 3 days of battery life, but if you're a heavy user, probably not. But it's a 720p display on this phone here, so battery life should not be an issue on this phone. Also, it has a water repellent design, so what that means is if you get a little water on your phone, you'll be fine. It is not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your Moto G Play. Don't submerge it, because it's not waterproof. Alright, so yeah. So it has 4G, of course. There's no 5G on this phone here, of course. You do get 4G, Wi-Fi, of course, CDMA. So, of course, it's going to run on the Verizon network, of course. Dimensions are 6.56 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. It has a 6.5 inch Max Vision HD Plus display. That's a 720p display. You do get dual cameras on the rear. You get a 13 megapixel camera on the rear, plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor, I guess that's what that is, and then a 5 megapixel front facing camera, up to 1.5 days of battery. You do get a massive 5,000 mAh battery though, so you should be given battery life on that. It should last you at least a day or a bit more, but it depends on how you use your phone as well. It has Bluetooth 5.0, low energy, 5,000 mAh battery, massive battery, 10 watt fast charging, of course. Qualcomm Snapdragon 460. Okay. Has a Snapdragon 460 processor, which is octa-core. Has a Adreno 610 GPS, of course. There's your hearing aids and all that. It's Snapdragon 460, I think. It's either Snapdragon 460 or Snapdragon 480. So yeah, so the specs in here are decent. Like I said, you know, this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. So what comes in the box is your Moto G Play smartphone and charger. Your battery is embedded in the phone, so the battery is not removable. It also comes with the activation code, services guide, and quick start guide as well. More features: personalized, choose from custom colors, fonts, icon shapes, add unique wallpapers to your home and lock screens. Camera: get creative and get your best results, whether you are capturing beautiful portraits or swiping out the background and photos. Performance: the Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor responds instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe, so you can stay a step ahead of your social life. Battery: keep the phone going for up to 3 days on a single charge, thanks to a 5,000 mAh battery. So yeah, the specs in here are really good. It comes with Android I think it came with Android 10. I think it came with Android 10. I don't know if it has gotten updated to Android 11 or not. I don't know if it has or not. The Straight Talk version may come with Android 11. It may come with Android 11 on this one. I think when like the other carriers got it, came with Android 10, because it's been like 7 months since the other carriers got the Moto G Play. So I think it comes with Android 11 on this one, and I think the other one's coming with Android 10. But I could be wrong, though. It's been so long since I did the video about this phone. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a budget phone, a backup phone, you know, first phone for your kid or whatever, you know, the Moto G Play is worth taking a look at here. It's available now for $99.99. Not a bad looking phone, pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. Looks very nice. I don't like the blue color. I just don't like the blue color. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't. That's the only thing I don't like about the phone. That it has a blue color. But to me, guys, my name don't care what the color is, as long as the phone works like it's supposed to. So there you guys have it. The Moto G Play is now here at Straight Talk. They finally got the phone late. So they got this phone very late, like almost a half a year after everyone else got it. So I finally got the phone, but they got it late. Late is better than never. So yeah, so Straight Talk finally got the Moto G Play. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.